Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit control center on iPhone 16. To edit the control center, swipe from the right top part of your screen. This is the control center, and now you can just click on the plus in top left corner to edit it. To remove a control, click on minus. To rearrange it, press and hold and place it wherever you want. You can also resize it, and you can add controls by clicking on add control. Click on the control you want to add. You can see it's placed now, and you can see that the control center has many pages, so you can scroll through them and edit all of them. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.